In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your site in the Wix Studio dashboard, making clean edits in the editor, publishing your changes, and wrapping up safely. First, open your browser and head to the Wix Studio dashboard. From there, go to the Sites area. This is where all your websites are listed. Choose the site you want to update so you're sure you're editing the correct one, especially if you manage multiple projects. Next, click Edit Site. This opens the Wix Editor in a new tab. Give it a moment to load. Larger sites can take a bit longer. Once the canvas appears, you'll see your live layout with clickable elements. From here, you'll be interacting directly with the highlighted areas on the page. Click the parts you want to change. For text, select the text box and start typing your new copy. Use the formatting toolbar to adjust font, size, color, alignment, and spacing, so the style stays consistent with your brand. If you're adding links, make sure they point to the correct pages or external URLs and open in the right context. For images, click the image element, then replace it with a file from your media library or upload a new one. Keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly, and don't forget descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and SEO. For buttons and menus, select the element and update labels, links, and design settings so navigation stays clear. If you need to move things around, click and drag elements into place. Use the alignment guides and the grid to keep spacing tidy. The side panel gives you more precise controls for layout, design, and interactions. If you make a change you don't like, use Undo to step back. As you work, keep an eye on consistency. Headings, colors, and spacing should match across sections. Work your way through the page by clicking each highlighted area that needs attention, and repeat the same process on other pages as needed. Wix autosaves frequently, but publishing is what makes your updates go live. When your edits look good, click Publish. Wix will push your changes to your live site so visitors can see the updates immediately. If your site uses a custom domain, the published content will appear at that address. Otherwise, it will update on your free Wix URL. Finally, click Done to close out the publishing flow and return to your dashboard. That's it. Open your site, make your edits by selecting the highlighted element,